And there's another name you guys mess up as well.
Oh, no. Hang on.
Yeah, try pronounce Fakhr.
Oh, no. Wasn't taken on the Triple M way.
So imagine my
Now,
Aussie
of course
vibe.
you're talking about Fakhr Zaman.
Yes, Aussie. Oh, very good.
Yes.
10 out of 10.
Thank you.
I'm not going
Say it
there.
fast now.
Fakhr Zaman.
So my Shanira came to Pakistan, and my son's friend's name was Fakhr. And he brought his friend, about 12 years old, and he said, "This is my friend Fakhr." She said, "Hang on a minute." What?
Yeah,
I'll tell you who's got it wrong a few times now. I mean, Junior Ward
Mark Ward
really
no,
struggles
no
with it.
idea.
He has
Could
some
not
real
do it.
battles.
We might have that audio, Fergus.
Oh, boy.
Mark Ward and
Oh,
how he
no.
went about pronouncing that name. Let's have a listen.
We saw Fakhr Zazam. What's his name?
I knew I'd heard it somewhere.
Come on, June.